Hello and welcome to Helton's Computer Repair. On this video, I'll be showing you how to download and install iTunes. This came up from a few people that came to me, and they wanted to wonder how to put music on there. Well, I told them the first thing they're going to have to do is go ahead and install iTunes. They didn't even know about it. So let's go ahead and get started and go to an internet browser. Once you go there, go to the bar and type in apple.com. You will then see a link called iTunes. Go ahead and select the file. Then on the right, you'll see another link called Download iTunes. Right here, you have the option you want to get the latest status from new updates and latest news. If you don't want to, you can just skip it. So I'm just going to go ahead and just download the file instead. You then have the option if you want to run the file or just save the file and run. For this video, all we have to do is just run the file. Depending on how fast your internet is, it can be running as simple as 2 minutes, or it could be taking a while up to about 30 minutes. So take a little bit of time and let it download. Once the file has downloaded and started running, you can then exit your internet browser. You will then get a wonderful message for the installation of iTunes. Go ahead and press Next. You have the option if you want to have an iTunes shortcut on your desktop, and also if you want to use iTunes as a default player. I'm going to go ahead and uncheck the use iTunes because it's not my default player. You also have the destination where you want to install the file. I'm just going to go ahead and leave it as by default. As you can tell, it is slowly installing the iTunes on your computer. Once it has finished installing, you'll get a wonderful message if you want to open it. If you do, go ahead and leave the check and press Finish. It would prompt you and see if you want to have iTunes as a default. I'm going to go ahead and press No. You may also receive a wonderful tutorial, but I do not need it. If you do receive a wonderful agreement, be sure that you checked it. And there you have it. You have already downloaded and installed iTunes. Thank you for watching.